The best walk back to the Champs-Élysées, back to the hotel. We have it. It is in hand, and the trip is complete. I am so happy, blessed, and lucky to be able to get this. And in the order that I thought it should come in. It just happened perfectly. I couldn't have asked for more. I'm so happy. I don't know. We're happy. My trip to Paris is now complete. Complete, it's done. My baby has come home to mommy. It's here, guys. My trip in Paris is complete. I came to Paris with one goal in mind, to secure a Birkin, and it's done. It's been an amazing trip. The anticipation alone damn near killed me. It was my fourth appointment when I went to the store yesterday to just buy some accessories, the main store. That was the second time I went to the Hermes. So I went to another one the other day. A smaller store, waited for about an hour. They said they don't have any. And I could try the main store. Then they said, it was Chinese New Year's or Chinese holiday. So they bowed up all the Birkins. And sure enough, yesterday after we got done with that tour of the Eiffel Tower, I got the text that I got an appointment at 10:30. So I got there at the store at 10 o'clock, waited outside. And sure enough, the chair was Chinese in front, and in the back of the whole line was Chinese. So I was like the only one there. I was like, this is my luck, right? The numbers are playing in my favor. That's how I look at it. Otherwise, I have to think positive. So I was able to go in there, and they took us up into the top, assigned us to this guy named Vincent, they say, and he was just gracious. And he went and he just asked me what I wanted. I told him. He went away. Then he came back, put you in a room. And once he put me in that little private room, I'm like, okay, he's going to bring something. And this is what I got. So without further ado, guys, let's open this bad boy. Girl, I should say. This is my weightlifting for the day. I have not been in the gym for a week. Well, more than a week. My show was last Saturday, actually. This is my stuff for my back. Oh, yes. Drum roll. Let's open it. Wait, I think I'm upside down. Let's flip it over. I hope it's straight in this angle. Voila. Ooh, wee. Oh, wee. I'm so excited. I damn near lost it in the store this morning. I think I was jumping up screaming. Okay, this way. What? The leather of it all. And voila. We put it there. So I can grab the booklet and put the box down. Oh, let's put it here. Oh my goodness. Booklet wise, we have procure Hermes procure booklet here, and we have some with the rain protection. So it's pleased to offer you this raincoat design to fit your bag. So important, because you do not want your baby to get rained on. Like, that would just be wicked and evil, right? Oh, let's open it. Oh, beautiful. This is my Birkin 35 back, gold hardware, and it is a looker. Let's open it, guys. I am super excited to have this bag and be able to use it with pride and joy. Oh my God. Welcome to my life, dear. It's been a long time coming. I hear it gets better from this. The first one is the hardest, I hear. Beauty, no? So the twilly I had him put this extra one on it today because I had bought this one yesterday. It's like I was ready for her to come home, no? So yes, very beautiful. I'm so excited. And then inside you just have your padlock and the compartment in the back with the zip and the middle here. So let me take a look at the padlock up close. The plastic is still on it and I'm not going to take that off right now. And the padlock still has the plastic on there. Yes. Whew. It's awfully hot in here now. So this is my Birkin, guys. You know, let me know if you guys have Birkins. Let me link below. Let me check it out. I love to watch unboxing of these things. I love designer bags and I am so happy about my Birkin. Thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up below if you like this video and check me out on Instagram, Life_to_Sorry. Thank you. Bye-bye. Wow. My baby has come home to mommy. Beautiful. Very nice. The grain. Oh. If there's a smell of leather, this is it. So beautiful, guys. My birthday present. I've gotten some wonderful things, but this is it. If I had nothing else, this is it. I am so happy and so blessed. I'm so lucky. And I know this and I very appreciate. Thank you. So this is it, guys. Yes. And I wanted the 35 based on my body size and structure. I could do the 30 easily, but I wanted it to just be big and yes, for me. I very much love it. And I'm going to dress it up really nice. So stay tuned for this, featuring multiple outfits of the day. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.